Hello, beautiful people, and welcome back to PattyKakes Kitchen. We want to start by saying thank you truly to everyone who subscribed and supported our channel. And to all our new subscribers, welcome to the kitchen. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and start dressing up my pizza. This is my baby right here, y'all. I had this pizza pan so long. Okay, normally I'll make some pizza dough, but today I'm using a pre-made pizza dough, Mama Mary's. Let's go ahead and get a little oil spread on there. Go ahead and get some marinara sauce. Pepperonis, sausage, bacon, and pineapples, and more cheese on top, and a little sprinkle of Italian seasoning. Now that I finished dressing the pizza just the way we like it, I put it on 20 minutes, and it's gonna cook the top and the bottom. Recipes, music, and merch. Save steak and gravy today and join the PattyKakes Kitchen family. Please take a moment to like, subscribe, share, and click that notification bell and make sure it's set to all.